Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is PemMNY. Once again, Chelan here. For today's video, we're gonna use this rose. We'll put it inside a boo balloon or transparent clear balloon. First, per instruction, again, you have to stretch this. On this side, stretch it on this side as well. If you see our last video with the boo balloon, I always stretch this because if you inflate this right away, it will just pop. Okay, so after you stretch this, you add a little air for now. So just let it stretch. And then release the air. So now the challenge part is how to put this in here, okay? Let me see if I can take this off. So I'll try to take this off for now. Maybe I can squeeze it even smaller. Or maybe I can disassemble this for now. So I took them apart like this, and maybe it will help make it even smaller. Yep, I made it smaller. So now I'm gonna squeeze this. See how I made it smaller? Put it in here. Once you get this in, it'll be easier. This is just the hard part. You just need to have lots of patience. So I got part of them. So I got that on. So now I'm gonna put the rest. Okay. It's too big. I'm gonna put this inside. So I got the plastic in, so I will assemble it back inside the balloon. There you go, to hold it in place. And then the rest of the petals. Do it one at a time. Finally in the flower. So now the last one, the very bottom one.
So real rose is not gonna work that bad.
Yeah, if you have the real rose, it's
Make
gonna
sure
it's gonna die.
It's better if it's small. It's easier.
Or maybe the bigger size of the balloon.
Maybe.
I don't know how big is the hole. There's the bottom of the rose. Now we get the rose back. So all we need to do is the stem. Alright, so we're ready to put our stem in here and the leaves. Just have to put the rest of the leaves in. Yay, there it is. So now we'll just have to add some air. Finally, we made it and we're ready to inflate this. Right there.
That's perfect.
Okay. So we're gonna tie it to 260Q here. Tie it good so air is not gonna go out. And there you go, guys. This is how you stuff your bubble balloon with rose inside. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye. Thank you for watching.